So what do you need?
I need eyeshadow and some brush and some lipstick and give me all of them. Mama set them all in the table. But eyeshadow? No, it's over there. Silly me. Are there? Mama, I look so pretty. Mama, this similar pink color is shiny. I want to be more. My finger. And do that. Like everything. I really like everything, Mom. Could I choose, Mama?
There's nothing. Here's some
What?
blush.
Oh, it broke.
Yeah, that's why I'm giving it to you.
It broke, Mom. Mom, it broke. How did it broke?
It fell down.
How? Accident.
And here is some lipstick.
Oh, wow. Bam.
You don't need to just use it like this. Use it with the brush, okay? Okay?
कैसे खोलते हैं ये? कैसे खोलते हैं?
Look, this thing, we
Yeah.
use it like this.
Wow. Anyway. Mama, I love doing makeup.
Okay.
I'm doing my own makeup, Mom. It's really cool to do makeup, Mama. Mama, I'll do this all day. Mama, I'll do this all day. At the morning and night. Using this
What is it?
blush.
Not blush, it's a face powder.
This is a face powder that I'm using, and it comes with a squishy thing. I don't know what we call it, sponge. I look so pretty, Mom. I want to be pretty. I'm going to use some pinky blush. There's different kinds of things.
Here, on your cheeks. Yeah. Some more.
Okay, ma'am. This is all my makeup. Ah, it's falling. It's falling. It's really cool, Mama. Working, doing lipsticks. So cool. Lipstick. Mama will send Papa my video. Really cool, Mama. Really cool lipstick. Otherwise, they will break. Want the brush? Yep. What should I choose to match? Maybe this.
How many colors do you see?
I see brown heart, pink, golden, white, brown, light purple, brown.
Choose purple.
No, purple's very boring. I think. Okay. First one here. Now golden. There. Golden wire. The second one. Beautiful. It's too much brown.
That's it?
It's too much balm, Mama. I'm closing all my makeups. And that. And this. And this. This and me. This. This.
You done?
Yeah. Now I got this. Bye. Hey guys, I just put some makeup on my face and let's have you pretty. I want to use my mom's lipstick, but only 3 things. I have 2 brushes and 1 lipstick. And I did some mess over there.
And you think you look pretty?
Yeah.